Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see search history through Wi-Fi. For example, if you want to know about anyone's browsing history or search history through Wi-Fi, uh, how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings here. And here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have scroll down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, now we will talk about what are the method by using you can simply see the history or browsing history of anyone on Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi owners or network administrator can view the search history and browsing data by accessing the router administrations panel, which means if you are using Wi-Fi through third party, then they can see your website by the three methods. The first method is as the router admin panel, which means if they log in into the router via some specific ID, and after that they can check logs or traffic analyzer. So by using check logs or traffic analyzer, they can check your traffic data, which means they can check which kind of website you have visited, which means if you have such open google.com, then they can see that you have visited the google.com, but they will be unable to see what kind of search you have made on the Google. Moreover, they can also use third-party monitoring software like Wireshark or specialized network monitoring software can capture packets to analyze network traffic. So there are apps available which can see the website data or such or website history through Wi-Fi. So what are the limitations for the Wi-Fi order so that they cannot see your data or browsing data? So the first one is HTTPS encryption. They can only see that you have visited google.com, then otherwise they cannot see what you have typed in the search engine. So as I have already told you that they cannot know about you that what kind of searches you have made on the Google. So moreover, you can also use VPN. So if you use a VPN, then they will be unable to encrypt your traffic, and so it will make it impossible for the Wi-Fi owner to see your specific website or search history. So in this way, you can simply protect yourself by using a VPN or cellular data, so that you cannot allow anyone to see your sensitive browsing. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.